Good evening. Today's topic collection of data of the medical statics. What is data? It refers to the given piece of information. Means a piece of information is nothing but the data. In other words, it is an aggregate of figures, numbers, or set of the values that is recorded in a one or a more observational queries. This is nothing but the data. What is data? It refers to the given piece of information. In other words, it is an aggregate of figures, numbers, or the set of values that is recorded in a one or more observational queries. Then observational unit. The source of observation is called as a observational units. Means such as object, person, and the patient. This source of observation is called as a observational units. Then what is observation? The combination of events and its measurements constitute the observation. Means observation uh, uh, concluded the 2 points: combination of events and its measurement. Example: measuring a BP is the event, and the measured BP is like a 102 by 80 mm of Hg will be the measurement. The combination of both event and the measurement is nothing but the observation. Then features and the characteristics of an ideal data. It should be a Cura square. Means CC, that is a complete ideal data. What are the features of the ideal data? It should be a complete, it should be a comparable, it should be up to dated, it should be a understandable, it should be a reliable, it should be a relevant, it should be a accurate, and the available easily. These are the Cura square, are the features and the characteristics of an ideal data. Means it should be complete, comparable, up to date, understandable, reliable, relevant, acute, and available easily. Then what is a classification of a data? Data is a classified on the various basis as mentioned below. Based on the characteristics, it is a qualitative and the quantitative. Based on the method of collection, it is a continuous or discrete. Based on the classification, it is a primary or secondary. Then classification of a data on the basis of a characters. Means qualitative data. What is qualitative data? It is also called as an attribute or a character. It is the data where a character or a quality is the constant but a frequency varies. This is always represented in the form of a discrete or a discontinuous and a countable. Example: sex, religion, nationality. In a class of a student, a class in a class, number of a student are a fixed. Classification of a student on the basis of sex, which is a fixed character, and it is a countable, so it is called as a qualitative data. Again, quantitative data. In this type, a set of a data character as well as a frequency varies. Following are the height of a people aging in between 10 to 20 years. Means 3 to 4 feet height, there are 10 students. For the 4 to 5th height, there are 20 students. For the 5 to 6 height, there are 10 students. Here both frequency and the character changes. Out of the 40 people height, frequency is mentioned above. 20 people around 4 to 5 feet character, it means 20 people height lies between 4 to 5 feet. Then it may be 4.1, 4.2, 4.3, etc. This type of data is also called as a discrete or a continuous in a nature. Classification of a data on the basis of method of collection, that is a discrete data. What is discrete data? The data collected by a method of counting and representing in a round number and integrals. Numbers and integral called as a discrete data. Number of a patient visiting OPD on Monday, 210, on Tuesday 250, on Wednesday 450. These are the number of a patient. Cannot be a what is called a 220 half or 223 5/4 like that. So this type of a countable data is called as a discrete data. Again, continuous data. The data which is collected by using a measuring instrument and represented as a round number or in a fraction or in a decimal is called as a continuous data. Weight of a newborn in a hospital is a 2.8 kg, 3.5 kg. HB of a patient is 8.6 gram, 11.5, means it is a round number or it is a fraction or is in a decibel. This is a continuous data. Then classification of a data on the functional classification. Primary data, those data which are collected for very first time, original in a nature, under the control and the supervision of a medical investigator, called as a primary data. A research scholar collecting data for this work, number of a family planning operation during the PHC. This is the primary data. Then secondary, the data which is not collected by the investigator but it is derived from other reliable sources, called as the secondary data. The DHU collect information about the number of TB patient in a district. Doctor want to study the relationship of smoking and the heart diseases based on the data given in India medical journals. Then a reliable source of data. The data is collected from the reliable sources like government offices, standard and the recognized institute, national and the international organization. The national level, various ministers coming under the government of India. Example, Ministry of Family and Health Welfare, Ministry of Mother and Child Welfare. In the state level, various ministries running under the state government, under control of the state government. In a district and a community hospital running under the control of a state government of a respective ministries. The local level, recognized hospital, NGOs, private organization. The various standard index journals and the publication like a BMG, etc. Then what is variable? A characteristics that makes on a different values in a different person, places or things is called as a variables. Then what is constant? Quantity do not vary in a given set of the observational data. They do not require a statistical study. Then SE mean, that is called as a constant. Then population, study of elements such as a person, things or measurement for which we have an interest at a particular time, it is called as a population. Then sample, part of a population or a group of a sample unit. Then sampling unit, each member of the population is nothing but the sampling unit. Parameter, summary value or a constant of a variable that describe the population such as a mean and CC. Then a static, summary value that describe a sample such as a mean, SD, SE, these are the statics. Parametric test, it is one in which a population constant are used such as a mean, variance, CC, etc. Non-parametric test, this test such as a X2 test in which a population, no constant of a population is used. Data do not follow any specific contribution and no assumption are made to clarify good, better and the best values. Collection of data. Then definition, the various method by which a necessary sample or a data are collected for the study in a systemic manner depending upon a need and the requirement of a researcher. Necessary sample of a data collected from the study depending upon the requirement of a researcher. Source of a collection of a data, there are three main sources: experiment, surveys and the records. Then experiment, various experiments are conducted for the investigation and fundamental research based on the basic principle of a particular science. The data is collected with a specific objective and the results are obtained used in the preparation of a dissertation, thesis and the research paper, journal article, etc. Survey, it is used as a epidemiological studies to find out the incidence or a prevalence of a health or a disease in a community. Survey provide useful information for changing the trends in the health status, morbidity, mortality, etc. Provides a feedback which will helpful to plan or alter the modified policies run by the government or any of the authority. Then what is record? These are maintained for a long period of a time in a registers or a books of a concerned department like a central government, state government. These are used for the various purposes like a vital statistics and the demography. Method of a collection of a data. It is important to differentiate a primary or a secondary data before we start the collection. The important method of a collection of a data: observational, interview, questionnaire, and the experimental. Observational method of a data collection. The general observation does not stand for the observation. Observation is a scientific tool and systemic method of a collection of a data that is in preview of the type of the research. Means types based on the systemic plan and the organization of the research. The observation is divided into three categories. First, structured, unstructured. Structural observation: if the data collection is done in a systemic manner with the fulfillment of all the prerequisites, then it is called as structured observation. Most of the researchers use this type of observation. Unstructured observation: if a systemic approach is not taken towards the data collection, it is called as an unstructured observation. Type of observation: based on the involvement of observer, observation is divided into a participant observation and the non-participant observation. Participant observation: when the observer becomes a part of the sample, understanding in the emotional, socio-cultural, occupational background, it is called as a participant observation. A research scholar conducting a research in its native area called as a participant observation, because the observer will be in the native of a particular area and will be the aware of all the emotional, socio-cultural, occupational and the background of the sample. Then a non-participant observation: when the observer is not a part of the sample and there will not be any understanding in the emotional, socio-cultural, occupational background, it is called as a non-participant observation. In this type of observation, changes of a bias is a more. An Indian research scholar conducting a research in a London, which is a totally different from his present status, called as a participant observation, because the observer will not be the part of the particular area and will not be the aware of all the emotional, socio-cultural, occupational background of the sample. Then a benefits and a merits. Subjective bias is eliminated in a participant independent of a willingness by the respondent and no non-need of an active cooperation. Demerits: limited information and the same unforced factor, hidden factor may interfere with the observation. Interview method: it is a form of interrogation or a communication based on the stimuli and a response of a question. Direct personal investigation or indirect oral examination. Direct personal investigation: it is a form of investigation. Interview replies on the wording of the interview. Indirect or oral examination: it is a form of the examination where a cross check of the interview is done related by the person. Then a pediatric examination, psychiatric examination or in CBI investigation. Characteristics of the interview: interview should be a polite, honest, sincere, impartial, technical competence with the necessary practical experience and must be a friendly with the interview. Guidelines of an interviewer: interviewer should know the problem and a well planned prepared. Always have a good setup, have a friendly and informal talks, have a curiosity and the respect, ask well phrased questions, should not hurt the interview, the matter must be a confidential. Merit: more detailed information can be a continued, general flexibility or the structure of the question. Then demerit: responded and the subjective bias or a time consuming. Questionnaire method: it is a method where the question are given and the respondent is asking to a reply the same according to the instructor. It is of two types, given and the posted. Given: in this type of a questionnaire method, a set of a question is prepared and provided a respondent. Sufficient time is given to a respondent to the answer of a question. Then a posted: in this type of a questionnaire method, a set of a question are prepared and provided to the distant respondent. Sufficient time is given to a respondent to the answer given question and ask a respondent to the post it back the observer. In this type method, there is a low return rate. Guidelines for the questionnaire: questionnaire should be a simple, clear, understandable and related to the topic or a problem. Decide either closed end or open end or even a both type of a questionnaire. Maintain a sequence of a question should not be related to a personal character, not hurt the person. Avoid the use of the question which puts a too much strain to one's memory and the intellect. Merit: time saving, low cost, large sample can be taken, sufficient time to answer, better method to those who are not approaching. Demerits: can be used in the only educated and the cooperative patient, low return rate, especially in a posting method. Doubt about its own version. Experimental method: the method in which various experiments or a measurable instrument adopted for the collection of data is called as the experimental method. Merits: an ideal objective parameter, beneficial in a comparison, lack of subjective bias. Then a demerit: expensive, chance of observational bias, sometimes it may false positive result, hence it is very important to correlate the investigation values with the clinical presentation. Then a compilation and the tabulation of a medical statics and the method of presentation of a data. Thank you. This topic is over. Collection of a data, how we should collect the data in the medical statics. We see the classification also.